Okay, so here is this app called Hello Channel. So to install it, just tap Get. Uh, it's an app from Microsoft, and I think via this app you can opt into different programs, including like beta for new Hello Waypoint app, um, and do some other stuff. So let's just open it up. Okay, so it seems it doesn't even work. Interesting. So let's try to use 3G or something. Let's try to restart the app. Okay, so Hello Channel app doesn't work. Seems like that. So yeah, that's a pity. Okay. If you know any clues why it doesn't work, and how to get a link to Hello Waypoint app, just let me know.